Cars are evolving and Koenigsegg is leading the way. They're proving that you don't need to choose between power and efficiency, between adrenaline and sustainability. Koenigsegg's latest breakthrough in automotive technology is a tiny electric motor that packs a punch more powerful than your entire car. They call it the Quark, and it isn't just a motor. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to the fact that engineering marvels can fit in the palm of your hand, yet have the strength to reshape an entire industry. In this video, we're talking about the incredible innovations contained in this compact motor, how Koenigsegg managed to achieve such impressive power, and why you should pay attention to this new technology. Because it will absolutely revolutionize the future of motoring for all of us. Stay tuned to discover the engineering that's making this small motor a game changer in the automotive world. Imagine a world where a motor smaller than your head generates a colossal 333 horsepower. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Koenigsegg has turned this fantasy into reality with their latest creation, the Quark motor. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch that defies its size. Before you dismiss it as just another electrifying gadget, let's peel back the curtain on the Quark's magic. It's not just about sheer horsepower. It's about a design that's as creative as it is compact. Koenigsegg's engineers have masterfully sewn together two motor designs into a balance they call Raxial Flux. There are two main types of electric motor designs, radial flux and axial flux. Both designs use magnets and coils to create their spinning motion. Koenigsegg has blended radial and axial flux methods, creating a motor that combines the best of both worlds. It's torque-rich at low revs like your favorite diesel truck, yet power-hungry when you're ready to let loose like a race car. In simpler terms, it's a balance of torque and power, perfectly arranged in a shoebox-sized package. So while the Quark may fit in your backpack, it's not just about size. It's about challenging conventions and proving that extraordinary things can indeed come in small packages. This is not just an electric motor. It's about redefining what we know about power on the road. Okay, let's break it down even further. Radial motors are a more budget-friendly option, but they need to rev up for full power, kind of like a gas engine with a big laggy turbo. Axial motors bring the torque party at low revs like a V8. They need fancy, expensive materials to survive the pressure. Koenigsegg's innovation is like getting the best of both worlds. Now let's dive into the numbers. The Quark motor clocks in at a mere 66 pounds. To put things into perspective, it's lighter than the engines humming inside your everyday Teslas. But don't let its featherweight nature fool you. This tiny beast flexes its muscles to unleash an astonishing 335 horsepower and a torque that can set your heart racing. However, there's a catch. This peak power is a bit like a shot of nitrous. It's only there for about 20 seconds before gradually slowing down to around 134 horsepower. That may sound disappointing, but think about it. That's as much punch as many average gas-powered vehicles can muster, and from a motor that can fit in a shoebox. Imagine driving a car powered by this compact marvel. It's like having a racehorse under your hood ready to gallop with the slightest touch. But this isn't just about raw power. It's about challenging conventions, pushing boundaries, and reimagining what's possible. The Quark motor is rewriting the rules of the game, proving that sometimes the tiniest packages deliver the most electrifying surprises. Koenigsegg isn't cutting corners with the construction of this tiny motor. They've chosen high-strength 300M alloy steel, the same stuff used in high-end race cars and even spacecraft, to fashion the motor's sturdy yet lightweight backbone. And they've summoned their carbon fiber wizards to create the rotor. This is a big deal. It's like confusing a racehorse with rocket fuel. Why? Because carbon fiber is like the superhero of materials, lightweight and strong. So here's the takeaway. The Quark motor isn't just a result of assembling parts. It's the art of choosing the finest ingredients. Just like how a gourmet meal delights your taste buds, Koenigsegg's crafting something that thrills your driving senses. This isn't just about engineering. It's about creating an experience that's powerful, elegant, and mind-shockingly advanced. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, it's cool, but can it compete with the heavyweights? Good question. Tesla's Plaid model roams around with more than 1,000 horsepower, nearly 3 times what the Quark brings to the table. But let's not get caught up in a numbers showdown. It's not about comparing apples and oranges here. It's about how you wield your strengths. Koenigsegg's creation might not be the biggest kid on the block, but it's the underdog with a heart full of determination. It's a David versus Goliath story. It's not just about the brute force. It's about finesse, strategy, and a spirit that refuses to back down. It's showing us that size isn't everything. It's how you channel your power that truly matters. So while it might not win the popularity contest in raw numbers, the Quark Motor's like that unsung hero you find, the one who surprises everyone with their tenacity and proves that giants can indeed be toppled. It's about pushing boundaries, embracing challenges, and showing the world that sometimes the tiniest spark can ignite the biggest revolution. So why should you and I be excited about this? Well, Koenigsegg isn't playing with engineering for the sheer thrill of it. There's a bigger picture at play here. The Quark Motor isn't a standalone star. It's the secret ingredient in a grand feast of innovation. Remember Koenigsegg's gas engine nicknamed the Tiny Friendly Giant? It's a small 3-cylinder engine packed with its own laundry list of innovations, making 320 horsepower without turbos and around 600 horsepower with turbos. When the TFG and the Quark are combined, they become the dynamic duo of the automotive realm, cranking out over 900 horsepower. The Quark provides an instant surge of acceleration, while the TFG engine spools up and pulls the rest of the way to redline. It's not just about being fast. It's about precision, about finesse, about having the right tool for every moment. The Quark and the TFG engine aren't just technologies. They're partners in pushing the boundaries of what a car can be. So why should you care? Because this isn't just about a motor or an engine. It's about a partnership between innovation and power. It's about Koenigsegg rewriting the rules and showing us that the future of driving isn't just about speed. It's about balance, about merging the instant adrenaline rush of electricity with combustion. The Quark and the TFG engine aren't just components. They're the architects of a new driving experience. Koenigsegg isn't just building faster cars. They're crafting the future of driving. With the Quark and the TFG engine, they're showing us that electric power doesn't mean sacrificing the thrill of a roaring engine. It's about blending the best of both worlds, the acceleration of electricity and the melody of combustion. Are you excited to see how the combination of the Quark motor and the TFG engine could reshape the future of high-performance vehicles? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to bring you stories like this.